Welcome to 131 Fruit Hill Avenue, a beautifully updated townhouse condo in Providence's historic Fruit Hill neighborhood. With 2 oversized bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and nearly 1,900 square feet, this home combines space, comfort, and style. The updated kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and soft close cabinets. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a whirlpool tub, tiled shower, and walk-in closet. Hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, skylights, and plantation shutters bring elegance to every room. With a private deck, garage, basement storage, and brand new systems, this condo is truly move-in ready. Don't miss the open house, August 23rd and 24th from 11 to 1. Contact June Mullen today to schedule your showing. Gold Door Realty, the kind of welcome you remember.